Live from London, I'm Mark Barson.
And from New York, I'm Vonnie. Quinn, this is Bloomberg Markets. Time for futures in focus now. The dollar is falling on concerns over tax reform. Oil, though, back above $50 per barrel this morning. Joining us from the CME is Todd Horwitz, Chief Strategist at trading.com. Let's start with the dollar. Todd, where does it go from here? We've been in a bit of a range now, although we have seen plenty of consolidation.
Good morning, Vonnie. You know, I think that the dollar had bottomed when it hit down around 91, and I think that it's natural resistance that when it popped up to 94 on Friday, and I think we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. I think you want to look to be a buyer of U.S. dollars. I think you're going to see some more interference from the other currencies now, and I think that the dollar will break out and go higher. I think my target would be going back to the dollar, the buck, as they say. But I think 94 is going to be some resistance, and then 95, and we'll see from there.
When you say the buck, you mean the euro versus the euro?
No, I mean, in other words, I think the dollar's going to go back to 1 instead of at 93 to go to $1. So that's where I think we're going to end up. I mean, we came down from 104, so.
The DXY, wow, that would be a pretty substantial move. What would that mean for oil? At the moment, we're seeing a bit of bounce, but it really doesn't have much to do with the dollar.
Well, no, the oil, none of the commodities have been really affected by the dollar falling anyways. They haven't really rallied. I think that the oil is rallying here because I think, A, maybe they got a little bit of a short squeeze going on, and B, you've got, Saudi Arabia trying to convince the U.S. shale producers to get to jump in with them and start to collude on price. And I don't think that's going to happen, but I think that's one of the things you're seeing, which I think is creating a little bit of this rally here because they're trying to convince them that they should keep their prices and keep their supply down.
All right, Todd Horwitz, thank you. You have to leave it there. Todd Horwitz is Chief Strategist at trading.com. That's today's Futures in Focus.